Okay, so if you want to express sine root 3 cos theta in the form of r sine theta plus alpha, what you need to do, you've got sine theta plus root 3 cos theta. I'm going to do this the long way so then I can derive a formula. We want that to equal r sine theta plus alpha. So if you take the r sine theta plus alpha and you expand it, that's going to be r sine theta cos alpha, because it's sine cos, sine same sine, so it's sine alpha cos theta. So that's r sine theta cos alpha plus r sine alpha cos theta, just expanding the whole thing out. So plus r sine alpha. Okay, so underneath there, I'm going to put what it's equal to, which is sine theta plus root 3 cos theta. Now you notice there that the sine theta matches with the sine theta, the cos theta with the cos theta. The leftover stuff, like you got your r cos alpha and your r sine theta, that must match with the root 3 and the 1. So that means that cos alpha, r cos alpha, let's see, orange, equals 1, and r sine alpha equals root 3. So cos alpha is 1 on r, and sine alpha equals root 3 on r. So what that means is that if you put alpha, if you wanted to find, so when you're expressing this in this form, you want to find r and you want to find alpha. So if you put alpha into a triangle, cos is adjacent on hypotenuse. That's 1 on r. Okay, and sine is opposite on hypotenuse. So that's root 3 on r. So r squared is 1 squared plus root 3 squared. So r squared is 1 plus 3. So r squared is 4, root 4, which is 2. Okay, and tan, if you went tan alpha is root 3 on 1 because it's opposite on adjacent. So alpha is 60, which is pi on 3. So that means that if I expressed sine theta plus root 3 cos theta in the form of r sine theta plus alpha, then r would be equal to 2, that's this 2, sine theta plus alpha, which is equal to pi on 3. Okay. So it equals exactly the same thing. Like if you wanted to check, all you'd need to do is expand this. 2 sine theta plus pi on 3 equals 2 sine theta cos pi on 3, sine same sine, 2 cos theta sine pi on 3. So that's 2 sine theta. Cos pi on 3 is cos 60, which is a half. Sine pi on 3 is sine 60, which is root 3 on 2. The 2's will cancel. So you end up with sine theta plus root 3 cos theta, which is exactly the same thing. So you know you've got the right thing when you put it into that form. So instead of doing the whole long way, when you have something in the form of a sine theta plus b cos theta, and you want it in the form of r sine theta plus alpha, what you would notice is that the alpha will fit into the triangle. The r, you noticed it was the hypotenuse, there it is there. The alpha fits in the triangle. That was root 3 there and 1 there. So the root 3 was the thing here, and the 1 is the thing in front of the sine. So if we're looking at this, that thing in front of the sine is the a, that was the adjacent side, and the thing here, this b, that was the b. So this is the adjacent. So the first thing always goes on the adjacent. Notice that sine keeps the same sign. So the sign that was in the middle is a plus here and here. So you just got to use that triangle. So if you have root 3 sine theta plus cos theta, for example, that will go into r sine, might make that a minus, just to show you the minus, theta minus alpha. So r is the square root of root 3 squared plus 1 squared. Don't worry about the negative, you're only interested in the number in front. A is root 3, B is 1, and that's going to be 4, which is 2. And tan alpha, I'm interested in the acute, so I don't need the negative, is 1 on root 3. Alpha is 30 degrees, which is pi on 6. So therefore, root 3 sine theta minus cos theta equals r, which is 2 sine theta minus pi on 6. So in summary, basically, if you have a sine theta plus b cos theta, that can go to r sine theta plus alpha. A sine theta minus b cos theta, that goes to r sine theta minus alpha. See sine, same sign. But if the cos theta one is first, then that will go to r cos theta minus alpha, because the cos, see how the sign in the middle changed. And a cos theta minus b sine theta, this sign's going to change. So that's r cos theta plus alpha. And the triangle, to help you find r and alpha, the a, which is the number, the first number there in front, goes here, and you can remember adjacent. And the b, which is this one here, is the opposite. And then from there, you can get r, which is a squared plus b squared by Pythagoras. So it's the square root of the a squared plus b squared. And the tan alpha is the b on a. So alpha will just be an acute angle, which is tan the minus 1 of b on a. So one more example. If you want to express, say, cos theta minus sine theta in the form of r cos, now it'll be a different sign. So it's theta plus alpha. Then the r, all you've got to do is draw your right angle triangle. That will be 1, 1 alpha r. Will be r squared plus r squared, which is 2. So the r will be root 2. And the tan alpha will be 1 on 1. So alpha is tan the minus 1 of 1, which is 45, or pi on 4. So that means that it will equal root 2 cos theta plus pi on 4. Okay, and that's basically it, expressing it in that form.